Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the most recent up-to-date method to sync your Yahoo Mail with the new Outlook app. Instead of switching between browser tabs, adding Yahoo to Outlook gives you centralized management, where you can manage your personal Yahoo email alongside your work or school accounts through a single, professional interface. The Outlook app also allows you to read emails and write drafts even without an active internet connection. Furthermore, using the Outlook app ensures that you use the app's password protection method, which I will explain to you. This keeps your primary Yahoo password private, and ensures that the connection between Windows and Yahoo is encrypted and secure. Okay, let's get started quickly. Go to the search box in the taskbar, and type Outlook. Click the app icon to open it. When you open the app, you might see a notification asking you to visit the Microsoft Store to update to the latest version. If this notification appears, click the Update Now button. Keep in mind that this update process might not appear for everyone. Some of you may already have the latest version or be redirected automatically. However, I wanted to show this clearly in case it does pop up for you. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click the Update button. And wait a few moments for the download and installation to complete. When the progress bar is finished, the button will change to Open. Click it to launch the new Outlook app. Now that the application is open, enter your Yahoo account. But before clicking Continue, let's get approval from Yahoo. We need to configure some important settings in Yahoo settings to ensure a successful connection. The problem most users face is that they can't use their regular Yahoo password. Instead, they need to create a special application password in Yahoo security settings to guarantee a successful connection. Now, open your Yahoo account and click on your profile icon in the top left corner, then select Manage Your Account. This will take you directly to your main account settings page, and if you have enabled two-step verification or any additional security features, Yahoo may now ask you to confirm your identity via a code sent to your phone or email. This is a standard security procedure to ensure that you are the one making the changes. Simply follow the instructions and enter any required verification codes to access the security dashboard, where we will create the Outlook password. From your account settings page, click on the Security tab at the top of the screen. This section contains all your login and security settings, then scroll down until you see a section titled External Connections. In the External Connections section, you can manage how other applications, such as Outlook, Apple Mail, or even specialized backup tools, can access your account. Because Yahoo prioritizes security, it doesn't share your primary password with these external applications. Instead, it uses application passwords to keep your main account credentials secure. Now, click the Create an Application Password button. A window will appear explaining that some applications require a separate, one-time password for logging in. This is exactly what we need for Outlook. Enter a name for the application so you remember what the password is for, and then click the Create Password button. A unique 16-character, one-time password will be generated for you. Click the Copy button next to it to save it to your clipboard. After copying this code, return to the Outlook application and click Continue to complete the setup process. After entering the necessary credentials, click the Continue Sync button. A confirmation window will appear, asking you to approve the request. Simply click OK to continue. Now wait while the application establishes a secure connection with Yahoo and prepares your folders. This usually only takes a minute or two. Once the process is complete, your Yahoo email will open normally within the new Outlook app. From here you're all set. You can send, receive, and manage your messages just like any other account, all within the modern Windows 11 interface. Your Yahoo account is now fully integrated into the new Outlook app. This is the most reliable way to stay connected without encountering common login errors or security issues. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. It greatly supports the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more simplified technical guides and Windows tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.